Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my annual what's in my purse video for you guys. This video is very special to me. I say that every what's in my purse video that I do, but it helped me reach I think 1,000 subscribers on YouTube years ago. Ever since then, I've always done it on January 1st, January 2nd. So it's just a tradition of mine and I'm really excited for this one. This one's super special because my first ever what's in my purse video that I did was with a Louis Vuitton Speedy. It has been a while since I've filmed this video on a Louis Vuitton bag, but also it's a Speedy, so funny. I actually ended up selling the original purse that I filmed with. It was a Speedy 25, I think, something like that. But I ended up selling it. But now I have this little Speedy Nano, and so I'm so excited. It's everything's so full circle. That was the only designer bag I had back then, and now I have so many, and I'm just so grateful. And I love this bag so much, so I'm so excited to get into what's in my purse. So I will have all my what's in my purse videos linked in the description box below. I'll try and link as many items as I can down below for you guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is a very real, raw, candid what's in my purse. If you're looking for an aesthetic what's in my purse video, check out my other ones or somewhere else on YouTube, but not this one. I have not cleaned this bag out. I got it about 2 weeks ago. I actually did an unboxing on it, so I'll have that video linked in the description box, but I found it brand new, which is really exciting because this bag is super rare. It's really hard to find brand new right now for a decent price. I got it for $15.90, I want to say. So yeah, I'll have that video where I talk about it in depth linked in the description box, but I'm not going to talk too much about it. But I do have the Louis Vuitton Speedy Nano in monogram, and I'm really excited. I've been on the hunt for this bag for over a year and a half now, so just the fact that I have it right now is so exciting. So yeah, it's really raw, real, candid, because like I said, I haven't cleaned it out. I did put my phone in here for this video just to show you guys that it fits, but everything else is very candid. I don't know what's in it, okay? So yeah, but this is the purse. Like I said, a lot of people have been cutting the strap off, but I like the strap because it fits me. It hits right at my hip bone. If you're a little bit taller, probably wouldn't work on you. But like I said, I'll have the vlog where I try it on in the description. But it's literally adorable. I just got it, so the handles haven't patined yet. What's the word? I don't know. But super cute. So we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna open it up. And this is what my bag looks like starting off. I'm gonna try and do as few cuts as I can in this video just to prove to you that I can fit all this stuff in here, because it looks really deceiving. It looks like a really tiny bag, and it is, but I can fit a lot in it. So first thing is my phone, and I do have the largest phone, the 12 Pro Max, I think. But yeah, the biggest one, so it fits in here, so that's great. So I have that. Then let's see, what am I gonna pull out next? Oh, okay, so I have a little band-aid because, why do I have this? Oh, okay, so for my birthday, I went to Charlotte, North Carolina, and I was shopping around. I was wearing these Louis Vuitton booties, and they gave me such a bad blister because I was wearing footies with them. And so my mom gave me a few band-aids in my purse that I was carrying at the time, and I just transferred everything over to this bag. So a little band-aid, because you never know when you're gonna get a blister. So then I also have a little thing of Advil, because cramps, headaches, you never know, honestly, but I can't live without this. Then I have a little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, because there are so many sicknesses going around, it's not even funny. So, not even just COVID, other sicknesses, so gotta have this. I'm a germaphobe, honestly. I have my keys. I have the Louis Vuitton key pouch. Trying to hold the bag and show my keys, and then just all my other keys. I have a keychain on there from Lululemon, but for Christmas, I did get a Chanel wallet, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this little key pouch. Things might change. I don't know. I'm pre-filming this, but I already know that I'm getting a wallet for Christmas. So It'll be after Christmas by the time you guys are seeing this video, obviously, but I'm pre-filming it because I'll be on vacation. Anyways, yeah, so I'm sure I'll still have this on my keys, but maybe not as full. But yeah, those are my keys. Then I have my AirPods that I honestly don't use that much anymore. I used to use these when I would get my lashes done, but now I just talk to my lash artist because it's like therapy. But yeah, my AirPod Pros, good for walking to class. Usually during the semester, I'll keep these in my backpack, but for now I just have them in my purse. I don't know. Then I have a pack of gum because you always need that. I have this little hook thing, and I show this in so many of my videos, but basically you just hook your purse to any surface, like the bathroom stall if you don't want to put it on like the hooks of the bathroom stall, or if it doesn't have one. I don't know, it's just more sanitary, and I don't know, I just always know I can hook my purse to something like a table if I'm out to eat. I just love this thing. I got it from Amazon. I'll have a link down below, but I got it in gold. They also have it in like silver and stuff, but I love that one. Then I have this card. I actually used this today. I had it for a couple months and I forgot about it, but I used it today on my dad's Christmas present from Lululemon. But it's like, I don't even know. It was like a little gift card for like $25. I need to throw that away. I'm gonna put that over here. Then I have a receipt for the movies because I'm gonna go see the new Spider-Man with my boyfriend yesterday. It was so good. So got a receipt. Like I said, this is really raw and candid. A little piece of paper. I have no idea what this is. Oh yeah, it was my like measurements. I had to get altered for a dress because I'm a bridesmaid in my brother's wedding, so that's really exciting. And I kept the paper because she took my measurements for the dress order, and I wanted to keep the measurements because in my Lululemon videos I always put the measurements at like in the description box of my videos. Yeah, but I kept that. Fun. Okay, next up I have Zofran, because this is literally my best friend. I have a prescription for this, so don't come at me, but it's basically like anti-nausea medicine. I had a prescription for this years ago, like when I had Lyme's disease and I was on like a medicine to get rid of it. And then I used it for like a hangover once or twice, and it literally saved my life. So now I always keep it with me at all times. This is a lifesaver, but I do get like nauseous on my period, so I got a new prescription, so that's why I have this in my purse. But yeah, okay. Then I also have the Summer Fridays lip balm in vanilla, and I love this. I use it all the time. I love the applicator on it because they switched it. It used to be like a little tube and you'd have to like put it on your finger, and I hated it. This one's so good because it actually has an applicator. Okay, I also have a Lash Spoolie, and usually I keep these in little plastic baggies, but my lash artist didn't give me one this time, so I just threw it in my purse. So I probably won't be using this because it's not really that sanitary. Then I have some money. Like I said, I'm getting a new wallet because I literally, like, it's so hard to fit cash and cards in this wallet. Like, I'll show you guys. I have so many cards. So I asked for a new wallet for Christmas because I need somewhere to put cash. So I have $4. That's fun. Then I have nail glue. I always have these with me at all times. Like, I have some in my drawer. I have one in my backpack because my nails, like, these are my real nails, you guys. I just get SNS. But when my nails grow out a certain amount, the polish starts to lift and it starts like peeling like my actual nail off too. So this one came off like today, like started like lifting up. So I actually just used this earlier on my middle finger because it hurts so bad if I don't have that. So got that. And then I have my ticket to the Spider-Man movie and another one. So that's everything that's in my purse. I cannot believe that all this stuff fits in there. Like, it can hold a lot, and I could even put more in it. Like, it wasn't even completely full. So yeah, I don't keep my sunglasses in here. I could though. My sunglasses are in my car actually. I could, but I wouldn't like want to scratch them or anything, but I can fit so much. So I definitely recommend this bag if you have been looking for it. I'll link a few down below that are on the market right now because you can't get this straight from Louis Vuitton anymore because they recently discontinued this bag, but it is so cute and it's just so full circle, like I said to me, because my first what's in my purse video was with the Louis Vuitton Speedy, and now it's with a Louis Vuitton Speedy Nano. So fun, so exciting. I'll have all these items linked down below. So guys, that is everything that's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I'll have all my what's in my purse videos linked in the description box for you guys to check out if you're interested. Like I said, I'll have a few Speedy Nanos down there linked for you guys if you're interested. Let me know what bag I should film on next. I just got a new Prada Teddy, like shearling bag. And then I got a Louis Vuitton multi-pochette imprinte. I don't even know the word. But I have a few new bags I could film with, so let me know which one I should do next. And if you guys liked this video, which I hope you did. But yeah, I love you guys. Let me know your purse essentials down below. I love hearing what you guys have to say. And yeah, I will hopefully see you very, very soon in my next one. Bye guys.